Wind is really, really tremendous. Like, it's snowing sideways and it's sort of hitting you in the face. And not only that, but there are whiteout conditions. If you take a look back there, I was trying to show you how they're trying to clean the roads, but it seems like they got the job done pretty quick. It's difficult to even stand out here and see. I actually wish I had goggles because it really comes handy right now. But in the midst of all these conditions right here, we actually ran into Jada. And Jada, she is traveling right now. You're about to take the path, I'm assuming. Where are you going?
I'm taking the path to Penn Station, and I'm heading to Delaware. I just can't stay over here in this kind of area right now, taking public transportation. I'd rather be back home.
So you were visiting?
Sort of back and forth, but...
What are your thoughts? I mean, you said it, you're not
crazy. I feel for the people that have nowhere to go.
And can we pan over real quick, Christian, to her bag right there? You see it. You came very well prepared. I saw you getting out of the car just right now. I mean, how is it to maneuver that bag in the middle of the snow?
I mean, I'm pretty strong, but just getting through this in general, you got to plan ahead. There's a lot of people waiting on rides for hours. I had to plan my ride hours ahead, even on an app. So just plan ahead if you got anywhere to go.
That's a great advice. Thank you so much, Jada. Stay warm. Thanks for visiting New Jersey. Hopefully next time you come, it's under better conditions.
Well, I'm from here, so I'm used to it. But and I'm only going right there. I'll be back, of course.
Bye, Jada. Safe trip. And the other aspect of this storm is we actually saw a line of taxi cabs standing right here. And the reason why they were standing right in front of the train station is because where they usually stand, with taxi cab stand, was not clean. So they were standing here. We actually caught up with one of the drivers. He was telling me that he has been working for a long, long day. So let's take a listen.
Very busy customer, and we road is too tough.
And how do you see the roads? How are the roads?
Very tough, of course. It's icy, snowing, but I see they're cleaning around everywhere, but the center General Square, and nothing. You can see here, we can enter, pick up the customer.
And then how late are you working today?
I do the best. I work here because I want to pay my rent, and also I just have lost my son. I need to pay my bill.
There you have it. The roads are not that good. You hear Abby. And, I'm telling you also, it's kind of difficult to drive around here in Kennedy Boulevard in general. So just stay home. Live now in Journal Square, Grace Gomez, Pix 11 News.